Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite gray metallic. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got 19-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior with an anthracite poplar trim. Sunroof. Trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, leather seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Navigation. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. Touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 44,892 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.